Welcome to the cosmic frontiers. For millennia we humans have gazed up at the night sky, pinpoints of light igniting our imaginations with questions. Today we're diving into the mysteries of 200 alien worlds, planets beyond our solar system, each a whisper of possibility in the grand cosmic symphony. Buckle up for an interstellar journey. We'll be visiting planets that are scorching hot and others locked in a deep freeze. Each discovery brings us one step closer to answering that fundamental question. Are we alone? Our first stop takes us 1,400 light-years away to Kepler 452b, a planet often dubbed Earth's older cousin. This world orbits a star remarkably similar to our own Sun, a G-type star, and what's even more exciting is that Kepler 452b resides within its star's habitable zone. The habitable zone, that Goldilocks region around a star where conditions might be just right for liquid water to exist on a planet's surface. Kepler 452b is about 60% larger than Earth, placing it in the category of a super-Earth. Is it a rocky world with vast oceans and continents, or is it a shrouded gaseous planet? The mystery is part of what makes exploring these distant worlds so captivating. Imagine the possibilities if Kepler 452b does indeed harbor life. Perhaps it's home to creatures adapted to its slightly longer year, orbiting its star every 385 days. Our cosmic journey now takes us to a destination much closer to home, a mere stone's throw in cosmic terms. Just a little over 4 light-years away lies Proxima Centauri b, a planet orbiting the closest star to our Sun, Proxima Centauri. Proxima Centauri b is a bit larger than Earth, estimated to be about 1.3 times Earth's mass. And here's the intriguing part. It orbits within the habitable zone of its star, Proxima Centauri, a red dwarf star. This means that Proxima b whips around its star in a mere 11.2 Earth days. Because it's so close to its star, Proxima b is likely tidally locked, meaning one side perpetually faces the star in eternal daylight, while the other side faces the coldness of space in an endless night. This kind of environment would create some extreme temperature differences across the planet, making the potential for life a bit more complex but not impossible. Could life find a way to thrive in such an alien landscape? That's a question we're still working to answer. Our cosmic voyage now takes us to a planetary system that seems like something straight out of science fiction, TRAPPIST-1. Located around 40 light-years from Earth, this system is home to not 1, not 2, but 7 Earth-sized planets, all orbiting an ultra-cool dwarf star called TRAPPIST-1. 3 of these planets, TRAPPIST-1, E, F, and G, orbit within the star's habitable zone, making them prime candidates for hosting liquid water on their surfaces. Of these 3, TRAPPIST-1e is particularly intriguing. It's the closest in size and mass to Earth and receives a similar amount of energy from its star as Earth does from the Sun. The TRAPPIST-1 system shows us that planetary systems can be incredibly diverse, with multiple planets potentially capable of supporting life crammed into a relatively small space. Our search for alien worlds now takes us to Gliese 581g, a planet shrouded in both intrigue and controversy. Located about 20 light-years away in the constellation Libra, Gliese 581g orbits a red dwarf star, Gliese 581. This planet has been the subject of much debate among astronomers, with some claiming it to be a potentially habitable world while others question its very existence. The controversy stems from the difficulty in confirming the planet's presence through various observational methods. Some studies suggest that the signal attributed to Gliese 581g might actually be caused by star spots or other stellar activity, rather than a planet. If Gliese 581g does exist, it's estimated to be about 2 to 3 times the mass of Earth and orbits its star within the habitable zone. The debate surrounding Gliese 581g highlights the challenges and uncertainties inherent in exoplanet detection and characterization. Our cosmic journey now takes us to a planet that's putting on quite a show, HD 209458b, also known as Osiris. This gas giant, located about 150 light-years away in the constellation Pegasus, was the first exoplanet to be observed transiting its star, a discovery that revolutionized the field of exoplanet research. But HD 209458b isn't just any transiting planet, It's so scorching hot, with a surface temperature estimated to be over 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit, that its atmosphere is literally boiling away into space. Imagine a giant, puffy planet with a tail like a comet, leaving a trail of gas as it orbits its star. By studying the light passing through HD 209458b's escaping atmosphere, astronomers have been able to detect elements like hydrogen, carbon, and oxygen, giving us a glimpse into the building blocks of this distant world. Get ready to sparkle because our next destination is 55 Cancri E, a planet that might just have a heart of diamonds. This super-Earth, located about 40 light-years away in the constellation Cancer, orbits its star, 55 Cancri, at an astonishing speed. It completes one orbit in just 18 hours. Imagine a year that flashes by in less than a day. This planet is about twice the size of Earth, and 8 times its mass, suggesting that it's incredibly dense. Based on its density and the composition of its star, scientists believe that 55 Cancri E could be composed primarily of carbon. Under the extreme heat and pressure deep within the planet, this carbon could be compressed into a giant diamond. The possibility of a planet with a diamond core is a testament to the incredible diversity and wonder of the universe. Hold on tight as we journey to WASP-12b, a planet living on borrowed time. This scorching hot gas giant, located about 870 light-years away in the constellation Auriga, is locked in a deadly dance with its star, a dance that will ultimately lead to its demise. WASP-12b is a puffed-up planet, about 1.8 times the mass of Jupiter but nearly twice its size. It orbits its star at an incredibly close distance, completing one orbit in just over one Earth day. The intense heat and gravitational pull of the star are causing the planet to distort into an egg shape and are literally ripping away its atmosphere. Imagine a giant planet being slowly devoured by its star, its atmosphere streaming away into space like a cosmic river. Scientists estimate that this doomed planet has only about 10 million years left before it's completely consumed by its star. Our search for habitable worlds takes us to Kepler-22b, a super-Earth located about 600 light-years away in the constellation Cygnus. This planet, discovered by the Kepler Space Telescope, was the first confirmed planet found to orbit within the habitable zone of a Sun-like star. Kepler-22b is about 2.4 times the radius of Earth and orbits its star every 290 days, placing it slightly closer to its star than Earth is to the Sun. While its mass and composition are still uncertain, scientists believe that Kepler-22b could be a rocky planet with a surface covered in a vast ocean. The discovery of Kepler-22b sparked our imaginations and fueled our hopes of finding a true Earth twin, a planet capable of supporting life as we know it. While we still have much to learn about this intriguing world, its presence within the habitable zone of a Sun-like star makes it a prime target for future observations and studies. Our cosmic quest now takes us to LHS 1140b, a super-Earth located about 49 light-years away in the constellation Cetus. This planet, discovered in 2017, orbits within the habitable zone of its star, LHS 1140, a red dwarf star much cooler and smaller than our Sun. LHS 1140b is about 1.7 times the size of Earth, and has a mass about 6.6 times greater. This suggests that it's a rocky planet with a dense, iron-rich core, similar to Earth. Although it orbits much closer to its star than Earth does to the Sun, LHS 1140b receives only about half the amount of starlight. This, combined with its potentially thick atmosphere, could create surface temperatures suitable for liquid water. Prepare for a steamy encounter as we journey to GJ 1214b, a planet that might be one giant sauna. This super-Earth, located about 40 light-years away in the constellation Ophiuchus, orbits a red dwarf star, GJ 1214. What sets GJ 1214b apart is its incredibly dense and steamy atmosphere. This planet is about 2.7 times the radius of Earth and about 6.5 times its mass, suggesting that it's primarily composed of water. Due to the intense heat from its star, the water on GJ 1214b is likely in a supercritical state, meaning it exists as a hot, dense fluid that's neither liquid nor gas. While GJ 1214b might not be the most hospitable place for life, it provides us with a unique opportunity to study the behavior of water under extreme conditions. Thanks for joining us on this cosmic adventure. We've journeyed to some of the most intriguing and diverse alien worlds ever discovered, each one a testament to the boundless possibilities of the universe. From scorching hot gas giants to potentially habitable super-Earths, we've only just begun to scratch the surface of what's out there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more interstellar explorations. Until next time, keep looking up. The universe is full of wonder and amazement waiting for us to unravel its secrets.